Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with PCLaw, full guide step by step clearly. To connect with PCLaw, first, ensure you have the necessary credentials for your PCLaw account. Begin by launching the PCLaw application on your computer. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. Click on the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the Settings option in the menu. Select User Preferences to customize your connection settings. In the User Preferences menu, find the section labeled Connection Settings. Here, you will see various options for connecting to external applications. Choose the appropriate connection type based on your needs. If you are connecting to a cloud service, select the Cloud option. For local server connections, choose Local. Fill in the required fields, such as server address and port number, for your connection type. If using a cloud service, make sure to enter the provided URL correctly. Next, test the connection by clicking the Test Connection button. If the connection is successful, you will see a confirmation message. In case of any errors, double-check your entered information for typos. Adjust your firewall settings if necessary to allow PCLaw to connect. Once your connection settings are accurate, click Save to apply the changes. You can now seamlessly connect with PCLaw for all your legal management needs. Regularly check for updates to ensure your connection remains stable and secure. If you encounter issues, refer to the PCLaw help documentation for troubleshooting tips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.